De outro informe, você pode imaginar cultivar verdura, esta tomate, cibollo ou jambo, pero riba dak de edifício?
Ya.
Esta é uma ideia que nota é al estranho. Ora tem limitação de lugar para planta ou recurso. O conceito urbano aqui de alimentação tem forma concreta na University of District of Columbia. Sabino O'Hara está dirigindo o programa de sustentabilidade urbano e está carga e esforço para o modelo moderno de agricultura urbano. Um conceito que começa por melhorar a qualidade de vida e oportunidade econômica para a população urbana. Se trata aqui de assim chama Green Roof. A universidade afirma um MOU com Aruba. Logo puntra, Kiko nós tem em comum. Kiko está retornando com nós a compartilhar. Para o ministro visitar é Green Roof aqui.
The Minister visited our main campus today at Van Ness, and we visited several of our projects. One of them is our green roof, our food-producing green roof, which is part of our urban food hubs concept, linking food production, food preparation, food distribution, and closing the loop through waste and water management. And the green roof illustrates how you can still produce meaningful amounts of food in urban settings where there is no space on the ground between buildings, and then we move the food production on the roof. The second component are our kitchens, and we have both commercial kitchen and teaching kitchens here on our main campus, and we visited that as well to see how we both educate students on the campus, but also use the kitchen as a business incubator for the community where people can come in, be trained in food safety, and then maybe launch a catering business or launch a business around food processing. We're very proud to have this memorandum of understanding with Aruba. It's a wonderful partnership, and it may seem a little bit strange initially. You know, our program is about urban agriculture, and of course in Aruba you don't have very large cities, but you also have some of the similar constraints that we have in our urban environment, meaning water is scarce, needs to be reused. You have a small country, just like cities have very limited space to grow food. And so the collaboration is actually very fitting because we have a lot of the same challenges and the same opportunities to work together, to collaborate, to learn more about how we can actually grow food locally when we have very limited space available and when we have very limited water.